Hello, Doctor, and welcome to another episode of Screencast Saturdays. My name is Dr. McNamara with NextGenerationChiropractor.com. Today what I'd like to do is walk you through the simple steps on how to add an image into your blog post. Now, I've already logged into WordPress and created a new blog post titled My First Post. I come down to the text field here and you see that I typed my first paragraph as well as my second paragraph. And the reason why I put this in for illustration purposes is to show you that you simply place your cursor where you want that image to show up in your blog post. So if you want it at the beginning of your blog post, you're going to place the cursor right before the text that starts the first paragraph. If you want it in between your first and second paragraph, then obviously place your cursor there. I'm going to place this particular image at the very beginning of my blog post. So I've placed my cursor before the very first word that starts the first paragraph. I'm going to click on this little icon that says Add an Image. It's the very first icon immediately to the right where it says Upload and Insert. So you're going to click on that image. Now, when the window opens up, you're given 4 different choices on how you can add an image into the blog post. You can choose from your computer, from a particular website, from a gallery of photos that you've already uploaded, or from the media library, which is also a gallery of photos or images that you've uploaded as well. I typically choose an image from my computer. So I've got an image that I want to use today, so I'm going to simply click on Select Files and come down to this particular promo image for the new iPhone 4. I'm going to click Select and allow that image to be uploaded right into WordPress. Now the link URL, I typically will choose None. If you leave that in there, what that means is once your blog post actually is published, if someone clicks on that image, it just takes them to another page that all it shows is that image. Well, I usually leave that off because there's no point really in just showing the image. So I typically leave that blank. And then you're given the option of aligning the image, none, left, center, or right. I'm going to align this image to the center of the blog post. And then it's going to give you the ability to choose the size of the image. I'm going to select medium, and then you just click on Insert into Post. And then once that's inserted, what you'll see is this HTML code that's inserted into the post itself. Now you're not going to see this code if you're using the visual editor. I always use the HTML editor because I can go in there and scale the image to the exact size that I need for that particular blog post. You're not going to be able to do that with the visual editor. Matter of fact, if I click on the visual tab, this is what you get, just the image. But if I want to increase the size of this image, then I can change it right here using the proper ratios within the width and height HTML code. Now this is placed at the very beginning of the post. You still have to click on the update button to see the changes. After you do so, let's go over to this demo site. And this is a site that I was building the new site design for Next Generation Chiropractor on. And there you see it. The image is aligned, center, and also is right above my first paragraph within the blog post itself. I hope this has been instructional for you. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, you can do so in the comments section of this particular post. And thank you for your attention. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next weekend. Take care.